Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for April 12th to the 24th. For April 12th to the 16th, we see a little change in overall circulation. Lately, we still have a ridge near the Aleutians. We have a trough here. Models differing with the solution here, but all the models are forecasting a zone of flow with above normal heights in the east. But again, like I said, they differ here in the west. Now we're going to go to the end of the period. I'll show you the differences. This is GFS, still trough over Alaska, western Canada into the west, above normal heights in the east. And then we look at the GFS, GEFS ensembles. The trough is more down along the into the western U.S. And then we look at the European deterministics. Trough is more to the north. And also they're more to the north in European ensembles. And then the Canadian ensembles is further north with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Okay, so the models are not in very good agreement. Now, the heaviest precipitation during this period is forecast from the southern plains, western Gulf Coast into the Tennessee Valley. Heavy precipitations also forecast across the northern Rockies and into the northern plains. Now, during this period, I'm going to show you the ensembles are not in agreement during this period. Now, I want to show you these. Now, this is the Canadian ensembles and has above normal heights, near to above normal heights across much of the nation, below normal temperatures across southwest. And then we look at the GEF ensembles. We have below normal temperatures along the west coast and below normal across the northeast. And then we look at the European deterministics has above normal heights across much of the nation with a few scattered areas of below normal temperatures. We're going to look now at the period for April 15th to 19th. Here we are at the 17th, and all the models are still forecasting a zone of flow across much of the nation. The models differ in the west again, where this is GFS showing above normal heights here. I'm going to go towards the end of the period. This will be the 19th. And you can see that we have a little bit of a trough here above normal heights, And then we're looking at the GEF. Ensembles have near to above normal heights across much of the nation, zone of flow. And then we look at the European ensembles. Has a trough in the southwest, above normal heights across western Canada into the northwest. And then we look at the Canadian ensembles, and you can see where it has a ridge, but all generally a zone of flow. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, below normal temperatures here and here. Now, during this period, the temperature anomalies are forecast to be, I'm going to use a mixture because the ensembles aren't in very good agreement again. So temperatures across the east will be about 5 to 15 degrees, maybe even 20 degrees above normal. And along the west coast would be about 5 to 15 to 20 degrees. And then we're going to see a little bit of this kind of situation where temperatures will be below normal in the southwest, about 5 to 10. You can see the blue down across Arizona and New Mexico. And we also have anomalies of 5 degrees below normal across the northern plains. For precipitation, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this area here. Now for the period April 20th to 24th. Now again, the models aren't in very good agreement. Here we are, the 20th, the GFS. Now look at this. The GFS is a very deep trough here across the east central U.S. and a ridge here over the western U.S. Now the other models, we're going to go forward into time. This is the This is a determinant. The GEFS, and now this is the European ensembles, and you can see it has below normal heights across much of the nation, with the ridge over Western Canada Northwest. And then we look at the Canadian, and you can still see we have this kind of pattern. So overall, it's not in very good agreement. Now for this period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this area, and above normal temperatures here. And then now we're going to look at the temperature anomalies. And you can see that we have below normal temperatures in the center of the nation, about 20 degrees below normal. And temperatures along the east coast will be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. In the west, about 10 degrees above normal for precipitation. I'm calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for April 12th to the 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.